Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin right at the edge. Heat the chrome gently to soften adhesive, about 30-45 seconds per section. Use painter's tape over adjacent paint so you can pry without scratching. Once warm, insert a plastic trim tool behind the chrome and lever away slowly. You want steady pressure, not a yank. If a clip resists, stop and reheat that spot. This first pass exposes fasteners and tells you which clips are broken versus just sticky. Now you tackle the middle sections. Alternate applying heat and prying in small increments so adhesive peels cleanly. Use a thin flat tool through protected tape only at clip points to avoid paint damage, and pry outward toward the trim edge to disengage clips. When a clip releases, pull the trim slightly away and feel for secondary fasteners or foam tape. Keep each removed clip or fastener in a labeled container. This makes reinstallation easier and prevents guessing where each piece belongs. Finish by separating the last attachments and lifting the trim off fully. You may need a final heat pass. Clean residual adhesive with a dedicated remover and a plastic scraper so new tape bonds well. Replace any broken clips with OEM or exact fit parts and test fit the trim, aligning all clips before pressing firmly. If the trim or channel is bent, reshape cautiously with a soft mallet and backing support. If a clip won't seat, reheat and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.